Hi guys, in this video today we'll discuss averages, and the major agenda of this discussion is mostly about the concepts. So in this entire post, if you're watching from YouTube, kindly go to the description and check the post or the link from where this video is being posted and watch it directly from our page. Otherwise you will be not following in order. So kindly note, this discussion is not on the very scratch basic of averages. I expect you to know what is average. Basically it's sum of all quantities by number of quantities. For example, you have an exam. It has three tests like maths, physics and chemistry, and you have a scores like maths you have 50, on physics you have 80 out of 100 total, and chemistry you have 20. So what is your average score of that test? So that will be, you add all the scores by 3. That's very simple. That's what averages mean. But today this video is more about the questions which is being asked in exams and how you decode it using techniques. So if you can solve it using X, Y and Z, that's fine. It takes time, but if you know how the distribution works, what is exactly the tendency of average, because average, or it's called mean also, it's also called mean, right? So average or mean is said to be measure of central tendency. So we will use that concept to decode all these important questions in a way that whenever you see them you can think in that direction. So this makes very easy and less time consuming during exams when same number of questions or same type of question is being asked from averages, because obviously they won't give you the three scores and ask you to find the average. That's very low level. Basically they will try to use some new entry in some questions, and then they will try to ask you those questions. So that is the whole video all about. Today I'll discuss one by one. I have used text as well as video. So if you don't get anything, use the comment section and go ahead and ask us any doubt which you have in your mind. But if you know this funda, you will enjoy solving averages question in a new level, because these help reducing a lot of calculations involved, X, Y and Z, whatever is there you uses while calculating. I hope you understand what I mean by that. Basically it's more using less pen and paper and less calculation. So I hope you find this entire course of averages or whatever, this chapter, very interesting to solve it this way. And I assure you that you can solve any kind of questions if you can identify these kind of logic which I'm using here in any average questions. So basically I have tried to cover all types of average questions which they ask you, and again if you can increase the level of difficulty, that's again you can use the same concept. There is no problem with that. So I hope you like this entire chapter and discussion today which we are having here. Thank you.